Welcome back, guys. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create a project in Netooze. So let me just give you a little overview about that. We're already logged in and we're ready to get started. So what is a project in Netooze? Well, Netooze offers our users the ability to create shared projects within the user control center, and that is located here, basically. You'll need to create an account, a free account, in order to create a project at Netooze using our control panel. This lets our users collaborate with one another and manage shared resources such as services, networks, servers, shared user balances, and support cases, etc., etc. Our users are permitted to create as many shared projects as they like as part of this project management functionality. The required support balance, the finance, i.e. loaded credit on the account, and the resources are automatically linked to the project rather than to any individual within that project. Also, the project cannot be deleted unless all collaborators remove themselves from the project, which provides a kind of safety net for project teams and large organizations. So once you're logged in to Netooze, and like I just mentioned, you need to create an account at platform.netooze.com. It's a free account. So the person creating the project will automatically get a personal project created for them on the creation of the account. And let me just stress from here on, a personal project, the one that is created for you on account creation. If you create a server within that account, like a VStack server, for example, or a gateway or network, etc., you cannot share that afterwards. So it's really best for you to go in as you intended. So a use case might be, I'm creating a server, I'm creating an app, and I might want a developer or somebody else to work on that later on. Instead of using my personal project that's already created for me, I'll create a shared project from now. I just won't share it to anybody. So that will be the perfect scenario for you to, plan out what you're doing beforehand and ensure you choose the right option to fulfill the requirements moving forward. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a project. It's really straightforward to do and it's pretty easy. I'm going to click on here, and as you can see, we've got lots of projects there. So I'm just going to name this one, and hopefully there isn't one already like this, Netooze 10. As you can tell, I've done this already. Okay, during this option here, it says your separate workspace, which can be administered together with other members, an unlimited number of members, should I say? And as I stressed before, they can all have free accounts and be working on one server, so that's great. So this is a free service that we offer. At this point, we can choose to create our personal project into a more general one from now, or we can choose to do that later on. In this, I'm just going to leave that ticked. We also give you the option here of uploading a icon, pretty cool. If you want to distinguish each project from one another with icons, it's great for teamwork, or if you're an organization, you might want to upload your logo for brand purposes. And these are the logo, these are the different formats we accept for that. There's a list that you can click on. And within that list you can basically select ones that we have pre uploaded for you if you don't have your own to upload here, simply by clicking on that. Okay, anyway, let's go ahead and create this project. So I've created that now, as you can tell, and I'm just going to take you around. So project team members, at the moment it's only one team member, right? And we can see the different types of roles. So you've got owner, administrator, and accountant. Those are the three different levels, right? Okay, at the top here, promo codes, just like on personal project, that you can use. If you find a promo code that we've issued, you can use that for creating servers, etc. Sash keys for this account, this is where you store those, and of course the delete, which we don't want to do, by the way. Let's not do that. Okay, so, and of course a quick link to your personal profile and security information. So one of the things that this enables you to do is add team members, like I previously mentioned. We're going to go ahead and do that now. And we'll just do that by clicking on this plus add button. And I'm going to send an email to test@netooze.com. I don't think I've used that before. And I trust this person. So I'm going to make this person the owner. Okay. An administrator will have less access than the actual owner, who can actually delete at the end, delete the project. The administrator and accountant can't do that. So we're going to do that and add that person. What happens now is we're going to hear that it will send a email confirmation to this person for that person to accept. Once they accept, if they already have an account, it will just kind of they'll just log in with their account credentials and they'll see the project. If they don't have an account, they'll be prompted to create a free account. So at this point, that's when that happens. Okay, and like I mentioned before, you can add as many users as you want. So I'm going to add Netooze 1. Oops. At netooze.com. Okay. Yeah, so just giving you an overview that you can do that. Obviously, this is just for demo purposes. Okay. So just to go through this, that's how you add collaborators to the project. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Netooze is a cloud platform offering services from data centers globally. When developers can use straightforward, economical cloud they love, businesses expand more quickly with predictable pricing through documentation and scalability to support business growth at any stage. Netooze has cloud computing services you need. Startups, enterprises, and government agencies can use Netooze to lower costs, become more agile, and innovate faster. Okay, so a perfect use case scenario for this, for us, is for project teams. Project management is high up on the agenda. It's fast growing career, and we see a lot of our users, up to 20 users at a time working on applications. So perfect use case will also be a few different organizations in which we team up with quite a few different organizations where we've created projects and we've worked with organizations to develop applications, to tailor one-click applications as well, and get them ready for production. So this is a perfect kind of scenario to do that. As you can see, a list of projects growing there just under this one account. Okay, so now we're in that project. We're in Netooze 10. If I scroll down to servers, I'm just gonna create a little account here so you can see what goes on. I'll choose the US as a data center. I'm gonna select a fixed plan, and I'm gonna let the system go ahead and create a login password for me. And yeah, no, actually I don't want to install WordPress, but you can do that if you desire. I'm gonna call this Netooze 10 as well. So we're gonna order that, and this server will now be created. Our server creation process usually takes about 40 seconds. Sometimes a little bit longer, sometimes a little bit less. And that will depend on the locality, what data center you've chosen. But generally it's quite quick. Okay, so we're just creating this for demo purposes, so you could just see it under this account. Okay, so we're 43% away through that now, and should be completing soon. Okay, here we go. The last bit was really quick. Okay, so we've just created a server. As you can see, the server settings, actions, snapshots, recovery, finance, history, etc. all listed here. And that's under Netooze 10. If I scroll to another project, 2, and go back to servers, nothing there. Let's go back to, that's to 5, go back to 10, servers, as you can see. So really good for organizational purposes as well. I hope this was useful. Please leave your comments in the comment section. If there's something I didn't cover that you wish for me to cover, you want us to cover, let us know in the comment section and we'll see if we can look about doing that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.
Special girl, sharing my computer world.